Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Parachute 100% pure coconut oil. This is how packaging. It comes in a cute plastic bottle. We all know that coconut oil comes from the nut, that is fruit of the coconut palm. The oil of the nut is used to make medicine. Some coconut oil products are referred to as virgin coconut oil. Without thinking much, you can use this brand. You can also use this oil in your daily cooking. Even you can use it on your skin as well as on your hair. Now let's see what they have given on the packaging of the product. Here they have given that best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. They have given a little bit information. It's a premium quality 100% of pure edible oil made from the finest coconuts. Copying of label graphic is an offense. Pure coconut oil freezes below 25 degrees Celsius and it's marketed by Marico Limited. Net quantity of this product is 500 ml and the MRP of this product is rupees 199. As I have been using this product for so long, so this information has gone, so I'm sorry for that guys. This oil has many health benefits, adds a delicate taste and is widely available throughout the country. Now let's start with the uses. This oil protects your skin from ultraviolet rays. When we apply it on our skin, then it protects our skin from harmful ultraviolet rays, which raise risk of skin cancer and cause wrinkling and brown spots. Moisturizes your skin. Coconut oil makes a wonderful moisturizer for your legs, arms and elbows. You can use it on your face and you will be surprised to know that it also repairs cracked heels. Just apply a thin coat to your heels at bedtime. Put on socks and continue on a nightly basis until your heels are smoothened. Instead of spending money on expensive creams. Protect your hair from damage. Coconut oil can help keep your hair healthy. One study compared the effect of coconut oil, mineral oil and sunflower oil on hair. Only coconut oil reduced protein loss from the hair when applied before or after shampooing. This result occurs with damage as well as healthy hair. You can even use this oil as insect repellent. Just apply this oil at night time if mosquitoes are irritating you. I am damn sure that after applying this oil, these mosquitoes won't come near you. The best part about this oil is that you can use it as natural deodorant. I know market is flooded with deodorants, but trust me guys, once you start applying this oil, coconut oil has a strong antibacterial properties which makes a great natural deodorant that contains no chemical. So instead of spending your money on deodorants, you can use this oil. That's all for today. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that whenever I upload my video, you will able to get notification on your phone.